Okay, so this week we'll be starting our lessons about quadrilaterals. And what are quadrilaterals? From the prefix of this word quad, that gives you a clue that this is a polygon with four sides. It has to be enclosed. It has to be a closed polygon that has four sides, and it doesn't matter how the shape looks for as long as it has a closed four sides. And the one that you're looking at the screen right now are examples of quadrilaterals. Every single piece of figure in here have four sides. Okay. One type of the quadrilateral that we'll be discussing is a trapezoid. And a trapezoid has four sides, but one pair, one of the opposite pairs are parallel. Okay, so this is an example of a trapezoid. Okay, and this one too. For the first figure, and that, alright, so on the first figure, as you can see, the top and the bottom sides are parallel. Okay, so they will never meet. Okay, for the next figure, the slant sides, which are opposite each other, are parallel sides. And for the third one, the one that I have marked in red, those are the parallel sides. And for the fourth one, that's up in the bottom as well. So as you can see, trapezoids can come in different shapes for as long as one of the pairs of sides are parallel, then it's okay. The next one is a parallelogram. Two pairs of parallelogram are quadrilaterals with two pairs of parallel sides, and the opposite sides, which are the parallel sides, are also equal in length. Okay, so let's look for this one as an example. Okay, see, those opposite sides are parallel. The left and the right are parallel. The top and the bottom are also parallel. Okay, let's try this example. For example, okay, let's name the corners A, B, C, and D. Okay, if you can say that side AB is parallel to side CD, and as well as AD is parallel to BC, see the opposite sides are parallel, then that's a parallelogram. Okay, and also you have to make sure that side AB and opposite side DC are equal, as well as side AD and side BC, the opposite sides, are also parallel. Then that is a parallel. Okay, how about a rhombus? A rhombus is two pairs of parallel sides, and all sides are equal in length. Okay, so this is a little bit close to parallelogram. It's a special kind of parallelogram, where instead of just two opposite sides are equal, four sides are equal. Okay, but the two opposite sides are still parallel. Like these two sides, the top and the bottom, parallel. The left and the right are also parallel. Okay. And for the second figure, if we name our rhombus like this way, so as you can see, the top and the bottom, AB and DC, are parallel, as well as AD and BC are also parallel. But you have to make sure that all sides AB, sides BC, sides DC, and side DA, sorry about that, are all equal in length. Okay. Okay. The next one is a rectangle. This is something that I'm sure you know. Rectangle is a parallelogram with four right angles. Okay, like this one. Okay. So first thing, we need to prove that it's a parallelogram. Okay. So if it's a parallelogram, then the opposite sides should be parallel. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC. Right? Those sides with the same color should be parallel. And also those sides with the same color, since they're parallelogram, the opposite sides that are parallel should be equal in length as well. So AB is equal to DC, and AD is also equal in length with BC. And another thing that we have to look out for to say that a figure is a rectangle is that all angles should be all angles should be in right angles, or they should all be 90 degrees. Okay, so angle A to D are all 90 degrees. Okay, so that's. And then the next one will be a square. A square is a rhombus with 4 right angles. Okay, so this is a sample of a square. Again, a rhombus has parallel equal sides, so you have to prove that. And so a square is also the same thing, but on top of that, the angles are all 90 degrees. Okay, so those are the little differences. Okay, so for our assignment, I'd like you guys to be able to define the following polygons, state the properties and differences. So these are the ones that I've discussed. Alright, have fun.